Is communication causing a disconnect or chaos in your life? This can be stressful, including dealing with difficult coworkers, a stubborn boss, or even people from everyday life at work and at home. What you need is resilient talk. My name is Zaheen Nanji, and I'm so excited to partner up with CPHR Saskatchewan again to bring you a half-day workshop on April 10th in Saskatoon. Make sure you're there, because in this workshop you will discover the secrets to becoming a truly effective and resilient communicator no matter the situation. Learn how to implement the 4 different styles of communication, find out how to identify and utilize the subconscious patterns and communication styles of others so you can respond to them quickly and more effectively. This workshop will help you finally break through all the communication barriers, and you'll be able to become a more flexible and influential communicator. So make sure to click on the registration button now, and I'll see you on April 10th. And for those of you who come, hey, I would love to have lunch with you after the half-day workshop. So make sure you click on the button below. Bye now.